So how do we think beyond the fees? How can we create a space where people and families living in our assets feel like people and not like a paycheck? Hello everyone, Michael here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. In this video, I'm going to share 5 untraditional ways to increase your property's NOI, its net operating income. Many operators just continue to add more and more fees onto their residents, creating a burden and putting a strain on their income. To create a profit, we need to either increase the income or decrease the expenses, which affect the net operating income or NOI. There are several traditional ways to increase NOI, such as charging late fees, charging pet rent, charging early termination fees, charging utility bill back fee, right? Et cetera, et cetera. The list goes on and on and on. These are all placed on the resident, right? So it does put a lot of strain on them. So there are also several ways you can increase your NOI without creating a burden for your residents. So here are 5 what I call untraditional ways to help you get started. Number 1, if your property is large enough or in a prime location, you can apply for Amazon lockers. Amazon will literally pay you to rent the space they're using for their lockers. Number 2, similar to the scenario above, you can also apply to be a Tesla charging partner, where Tesla will install charging stations on your property and pay you for them, which is awesome, right? Number 3, if your property is next to a highway or a highly trafficked road, you could use the roof space to install billboards for advertising. And number 4, if your property is in an area that receives a lot of sunlight, you can install solar panels, and the excess electricity that the property doesn't use, you can sell back to the city. As a bonus, if the residents are paying electric, then this will significantly reduce their electric bill, which will help you in the future if you want to consider raising rents, because it won't be such a burden at this point, right? And finally, number 5, the last way I want to share with you is to look for green initiatives that are offered by the city or state. On one of our properties, we were able to get $10,000 worth of LED lights for only $428. And we were able to upgrade our insulation and get all of our ducts sealed, something that would have cost us over $80,000 for only as little as $5,000. These initiatives go a long way to really help save the residents money, right? Because if they're saving electricity and they're saving, on heating as well, like you're saving them so much money and you're creating a great environment, a great community where these people can thrive versus of just trying to survive. So at Adventurous Real Estate Investors, we continue to find ways to positively impact the residents and create a community that they find resourceful. I hope this video helps you get the creative juices flowing so that you can find alternative ways to increase your net operating income without placing the burden on your residents. So if you found value in this video and you really enjoyed that opera singer over here to my left, then please go ahead and smash that like button below and subscribe to our channel here. And don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when we release new content. Okay, until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.